What are you looking at?
You better watch. Honey, listen, Linda, listen. This is my news. Listen, Linda. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl, Wigzilla Pilla, and I'm here again with another video. Today, we are going to talk about lip shades that fit. I'm going to talk about a list of lipsticks which are my absolute favorite that I've been using for more than 2 to 3 years that match me and may match you too. And these colors are pretty universal. They are very, I call them my seductive lip colors. Seductive. Has a ring to it, doesn't it? The one I have on right now is from Lime Crime. It's about to be finished. It's called Wicked. Yes, and this was given to me by a lovely friend, and I love it. And I will be listing all the lip shades that I talk about today at the bottom below. So let's go. This one is called Tran Blue, and this one's from NARS. This one is actually one of my favorites that, you know, fit my skin tone and will look amazing on every and any girl. So this one's from NARS, like I said. Raise your hand if you're a Kat Von D girl. I'm obsessed with Kat Von D lipstick, especially her mattes. Like, this right here is a nude for me. This is my nude. Hello? And this here is called Lolita. This is honey. This is good. Honey. Listen, Lolita. Listen, Lolita. Listen. I love this. Okay. And this is Kat Von D, Lolita. Not the 2. This is the first one. And this is my everyday. This is my go-to everyday with a liner from MAC called Chestnut. Yes. Get with these, honey. I know. Another one of my faves from Kat Von D. And these two are combined together. And this is Vampire mixed with Witches. What a combo. I love that. Like I said, I'm obsessed with Kat Von D. Her shades make me look. And last but never the least, this here is called Conspiracy from Urban Decay. It has a metallic look to it, which I absolutely love. So there you have it. Those are my top 6 favorite universal shades that I think that you all will look absolutely stunning in, no matter your skin tone. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all have subscribed. I look forward to uplifting you all and giving you all the real tea. And not the conspiracy. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, you can give it a thumbs down. But we try to stay positive here.